Hello guys, welcome to episode 5 of how we are using our phone to build an ultimate campaign. Okay, this is episode 5 of it. You guys noticed in the previous ones, which is episode 4, that we give the AI work and it refused to do it, or it's waiting for us to give go ahead, which is in this episode 5 we are going to give it automation so that it can keep doing everything. We're going to assign tasks to any particular AI that employee that you think that this is your work. Are you getting me? So this is what we are going to do now. We are going to assign it. We are going to give it the go ahead order so that it can do this together. So in the video, when I start demonstrating, I'm going to tell you something because I want you to know everything so that you will understand. Okay, because when you understand, that's when you can start demonstrating it, start building it on your own, start doing everything. So if possible, you can anytime, anywhere that you are not getting it right, what I want you to do is to go back, okay, revert back and watch it again so that you understand what we are doing, because this is a serious business that we are doing here. Maybe because you are not paying money to learn this, but if I were you, what I would do is to take this workshop very serious, because we are going to learn a lot in this workshop. So let's start so that you understand everything and how it's going to do. Everything in life is step by step. Don't jump. Make sure you follow it step by step. Then you are going to, you don't have any excuses. You are using your phone, your cell phone. You can see that I'm doing it. If you check online now, I'm the only person that telling you that you can do this with your phone. Okay, so nothing to you don't need to tell me that you don't have laptop or expensive laptop or that. You can use your phone. Let's go. Let me show you. Back to episode 5 on how we are building this campaign. Okay, this is how a real AI system are designed. You don't just start with magic, because a lot of people start with magic. You build the foundation, the memory, the collaboration, the execution, and the orchestration. Okay, once the platform can generate AI content, it plugs into this workflow instead of replacing it. So here we are going to, I have copied the prompt for today's work. So what we are going to do now is to paste it, okay, so that it will keep building. So you know how we do it. We paste it. So for those that is joining us right now, what you are going to do, this is a workshop where I'm teaching you guys how to build your own company, your own AI company. And this is something that you can place to the world and you make your money. Okay, this is a real business. Okay, this is a real business. If you check so many websites today, you are going to be seeing that a lot of people are not stressing themselves trying to hire programmer, trying to hire UI designer, trying to hire a back-end builder. Okay, so they are doing everything with AI now. But the question is, do you know how to do it? Do you have anyone that will coach you on how to do it? That's the reason why I decided to share this free of charge. Okay, one thing I want you to know or to understand in this kind of business is that you will always have up and down. Okay, you make mistake, you go back and correct it, you start again, you see the result of the mistake you corrected, you keep pushing. That's the only way to make progress in this. You never give up. That's what I'm teaching you today. When you decide that I want to do this, you can start with your phone. That's the reason why I'm using my phone, to show you that you don't have any excuses. You can make use of your phone. You can see how we are doing it. So this is orchestrator. That's what we are adding now. Okay, it's going to be in the sidebar. Okay, this particular orchestrator is going to be in the sidebar. What is the work? So what this orchestrator normally do is what we recommend the particular AI employee that will work for one particular task that the user is giving to them. Are you getting me? It's something like, let's just say in company, you have your supervisor who is going to be telling you, this is your work, go and do this, this is your file, go and work on this file. Are you getting me? That's what the orchestrator is all about. It's going to be telling all the 16 AI employee what they must do. If this work is its own work, it's going to assign it to that particular AI, and that particular AI is going to execute it. And once it executes it, it's going to pass it to another AI employee to keep doing the work. Okay, so it's just department by department. This is your work. After, I don't know if you see how the Chinese normally do in their production when they are trying to build something. Every department has its own work to do. That's what we are designing right now, okay, so that the execution will start happening. So guys, you can see that this is what it just built for us right here. You can see everything here. The reason why I'm showing you this is because I want you to learn with me, okay? Because when you are learning with me, you are going to, do the same thing I'm doing. You can see that the RLS, scoped per user. So what this simple mean is like security, okay? This RLS is security that measure what each user gets. Are you getting me? I don't know if I'm explaining it in such a way that you are going to understand, but bear it in mind that this is, if you are using other backend, you are going to be placing this manually, okay? But because you are using Lovable, it's going to be automatic, because that's what make the work easy for everyone, okay? So you can see the server function in src. So this is where the code is being stored. So I'm going to tell you more about the code and everything, okay? So that's in the end of this challenge. I'm going to teach you so many things. That's the reason why I say that I'm going to tell you or give you a gift that will make you to keep looking for my videos, okay? That's in episode 10. So this is everything that it has done for us. You can see everything is going to be working the way you are seeing it here. Everything is going to be working the way you are seeing it here. So what I'm going to do, you can see that wire to into sidebar command. So what is wired is that orchestrator or orchestration is higher to the sidebar. So let's go inside so that we can see the orchestrator live in the sidebar. And I told you what orchestrator is all about. So what we are going to do right now is to log in. Right now we click on this place, okay, so that we can see the review. So you can see the AI orchestrator, you can see it here. So once I click on it, you can see everything here. You can see everything here. This is to show you that we are making progress here. You can see the workforce online, that's 16. The active task is 1. Then that was the task assigned before, but it keep waiting. So that what we are doing right here is to make sure that everything is working perfectly. That's what we are doing, okay? So you know that we are here to make mistake, to correct the mistake, and to move on. If you are not doing it here, or if I'm not showing you this here, it simply means that I'm not telling you the real truth, because you must make mistake, you must correct the mistake, and you must move on if you must reach where you are going. So here you can see that we are learning this together. So this is let's click on this particular one I did before. Generate output. Okay. So launch a teaser campaign pipeline. So and okay, let's just apply. Then generate output. So let's wait and see what. Wow, you guys can see that it's working. It's working. Strategic observative, generate anticipation, and build a foundational audience for Empire OS AI 0 to 8 public launch. Establish initial brand recognition and capturing only adopt interest. Key results: email list growth. Achieve 1,000 unique sign-up for early access and update by 30 days for campaign start. Social engagement: achieve 5,000 cumulative engagements, like, share, comment across core social channel, LinkedIn and Twitter by 30 days from campaign start. So you guys can see that this is no longer a joke, and you can see the date. You can see the date and the time also. Open in collaboration. You can see that this is Julian close. Output stored. You can see that the output is already stored. Output generated by Julia Cross. Send to review. Task started. Launch a teaser campaign. Assign juror. So you can see that everything is working perfectly here. So let me click on approve. So you can see launch a campaign about our website, Empire OS AI. So stage updated, preview updated. So you can see if you don't like it, you can reject it. So what we are going to do, like I told you guys before, that we are still working on this. We are still learning together. Everything we are doing here, we are doing it together. So that you can see that. Open it. So let's open here. You can see that it's already been stored. Everything you can see it. This is the strategy that we are making use of. This is the strategy. You can see that I approved it before. It started with this. Target audience: primary, early adopter, tech enthusiasts, entrepreneurs, and small business interested in AI driving productivity and operational tools. So the age is going to tell you the age that you should target. That's 25 to 45. Secondary, developing. Okay, then what we are going to, this is, you'll see that it looks somehow here, the write-up, the way they are doing it. So we can tell the Lovable to make this output to be more pretty, but that one is just to add more this thing design. So you can see that the unseen advantage hints at a powerful, intelligent operating system. So there's a lot. Campaign facing and milestone. So phase 1, foundation and wasted pass 1 to 2 weeks. So this is just giving you a detailed way to market this. Wow, can you see that everything is working perfectly? Analyze campaign. So this is everything approved. So I just approved it. I just approved this one. This is getting busa. This is making sense right now. You can see the completed one. It's going to show you the completed one. What we are going to do right now is to go to Campaign Brain. Okay, so here we are going to see what it just gave us. This is the output. It's going to be stored in the Campaign Brain. This is the document, and we are still learning. Okay, in episode 6, where I'm going to learn everything here, and then I'm going to explain more in episode 6. There's a lot to learn in episode 6. We are going to have command center, where you can see the command center here. This is just for everything here. This is the command center. So we are going to build a command center for the admin, to the owner of the website, where he's going to be monitoring what is happening in the website. Are you getting me? So that's the next thing we are going to do. If you love what we are doing here, I'm not asking you to give me money. You might think that this is an easy task. In episode 6, I'm going to show you something, and I'm going to tell you something that will blow your mind. A lot of secret that you need to know about what we are building here. I'm going to tell you all the secrets in episode 6. Okay, so make sure you smash that subscription button if you are building with your phone the way I'm building with my phone. Okay, what I want you to do is just to make sure you smash that subscription button, turn on the notification bell, and give me a sweet comment. You can see that everything is working perfectly now, but in episode 6 it's going to be more powerful and it's going to be more sweet. Okay, see you guys at the top. Make sure you smash that subscription button